Welcome to the short instructional video that will show you how you can easily put together a simple yet useful web page to be included in the Expo site. Not everyone has web programming skills. Did you know you can design a fairly simple web page with questions and answers, images and links using common programs like Microsoft Word or PowerPoint? This video will show you how. In the other video available that describes participation in the Master My Disaster Virtual Expo, you were shown a template like the one shown here, with the entity's name and logo at the top, its mission or story, perhaps its web page link, then a list of several questions and answers, including related images and links to more information, be it other websites, videos, and such. Now, you can certainly utilize professional assistance to design more complex resources hosted external to your Expo page, but for your page itself, providing questions and answers, you can fairly easily design it using programs like Microsoft Word and PowerPoint. Here's an example of a page I created in a newer version of Microsoft Word. I simply created a two-column table and inserted it. I placed my images in one column, my text and links in another column. Note that I have followed the basic template that was just shown. When done, I'm ready to save it. So I'd utilize under File to save the image as a particular type. Under Save as Type, there are two of particular interest. One is PDF, and the other is a web page. If I choose to save as a PDF, I just select it and give it a name. Since it incorporates the images into the file, I would only need to send the PDF file as an email attachment to info.mastermydisaster@gmail.com. That's it. I can include images and links within the PDF. Thus, I can link to any external source, be it another web page or video. Now, I can also choose to save it as a web page. This will save the document as an HTML file. This file includes place files for the images to be included, but not the images themselves. Therefore, when submitting by email, you'll have to attach not only the HTML file, which is your page, but also separately attach your images, which should be either PNG or JPEG formats. And the images should be no larger than about 200 kilobytes each. So that's all you need to do for Word. Create the document, save as either a web page or a PDF, and then submit via email. In newer versions of PowerPoint, I simply create the same page using features like inserting pictures. I can insert text boxes, hyperlinks, and so forth. When I have my page set up the way I want it, once again with a similar format, I simply save this particular slide as a PDF. Once saved, I send it as an attachment to an email, again to info.mastermydisaster@gmail.com. That's it. There are likely other means to save documents as web pages or PDF files, which you can simply Google to get instructions for. When you submit your page, either as a PDF file or as a web page with images attached separately, please indicate in the email which entity you're representing. Also, be sure to attach a copy of the logo you wish to have used to represent your entity in the Expo. It should be a small size, no greater than 200 kilobytes. In this Expo, you are challenged to put together a page that answers 3 to 5 or more questions about a particular disaster type that you feel people don't know the answer to. If 100 entities participate, the result is an impressive educational resource with answers to 300 to 500 questions related to disaster readiness or resilience that the public could benefit from. Thank you for participating in this unique educational initiative.